Hi, I'm Austin Kelly. I'm the co-founder of Skybot. Skybot Build Your Own Drone is a cool, easy-to-assemble robotics kit for kids of all ages. I've worked with kids for several months as the STEM director at the Boys and Girls Club of America, using robotics to excite kids of all ages. I designed Skybot to provide a fun, hands-on learning experience for younger students. Our goal was to create a drone that allowed kids to get a real feel of what drone technology is all about. But we needed something that was affordable, easy to build, and utilize real-world components. Our solution is the Skybot. Our next step is reaching more kids, and that's where we need your help. To keep Skybot at an affordable price, we need to order at least 100 units. This is an introductory drone robotics kit. If you're interested and you want to build your first drone or take your robotics to the next level, Skybot can be for you. A friend, a child, or even an entire classroom. With the Skybot, you'll complete a real drone, and we'll help provide you with easy-to-follow instructions that guide you through the entire process. Help us reach our goal and be a part of Skybot and build your own drone. Thank you, Kickstarter.
Introducing the Gravitron V2 FPV Racer by Drone Pros. The Gravitron V2 has evolved from our first generation Gravitron to be the best racer and most easy to fly racer out there. The Gravitron is the only 100% ready to fly racer that gives you everything you need in one convenient, great looking aluminum carrying case. Never before has getting into the popular growing sport of FPV racing been so easy. We have taken out all the hard work and made it simple. Each and every Gravitron will be test flown and programmed to have the smoothest settings so you can be sure flying it will be a breeze. Even if you've never flown a drone before, you won't have any problem flying the Gravitron. Each unit will come with a lifetime warranty on the 6mm carbon fiber arms, so you can be sure that the unit will hold up to even the hardest crashes. Even if you're not into FPV racing, the Gravitron is a great sport flying drone that can be a ton of fun. Able to carry a GoPro 4, it delivers the smoothest footage with the provided dampening plate to take out any jello in the footage. Whether you are out on vacation or just at a local park, you can pop out your Gravitron and capture memories when not racing. For those looking to get into FPV, the Gravitron makes a great platform since it is very durable. At the end of the day, whether we like it or not, these units will be crashing a lot. Last thing you want to be worrying about is your frame breaking and the fun day coming to an end. With the 6mm carbon fiber arms, the Gravitron is nearly indestructible, and we back it with a lifetime warranty. The carbon fiber frame has been designed to take crash after crash after crash. With the provided 5-inch monitor and FPV camera, you are able to see what the unit sees in live time. Never before has sitting in the pilot seat been so easy. The flight controller comes with the default flight mode to be self-leveling, so when you let go of the right stick, the unit will automatically self-level. With Christmas around the corner, there hasn't been a better time to get yourself or someone you love into the great sport of FPV. With all the progress we're making, it is safe to say that we will start shipping out all orders early December. With your help, we can place large orders to drive component costs down. This will keep the Gravitron at a much more affordable price. Get your hands on the best FPV racer out in the market today and help us bring the Gravitron V2 out to the market. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for future updates.
Simia is different from anything on the market right now in the sense that it solves the problem of how you control the entire flying, movie and image capture process from a single device. What it does is make flying easier by bringing automation of those systems inside of the flyer, and allows you to concentrate on where you want the vehicle to be, the images and video you want to capture, and then to be able to rapidly share it with your friends. My name is Mark Richardson. I'm in charge of Polyhelo, which is a group of great engineers and enthusiasts building drones for people to take photographs of themselves, the environment, and just generally have fun with. I'm a former planetary scientist, and I was involved with NASA in exploration of the solar system. What's really exciting about Polyhelo is the opportunity to bring a lot of those technologies that we used in getting vehicles to land on Mars and to orbit around Venus, and use those to make personal flyers easier to use.
Seemi is the first networked camera drone you control seamlessly from a single mobile app. Seemi's 1080p HD camera is housed inside of Seemi, extending down from the flyer at takeoff and retracting when it lands. Seemi is a lightweight, compact, and portable drone. You can take it anywhere in a traditional camera bag. Seemi's legs detach easily for travel and storage, part replacement, and for future component upgrades. Seemi has multiple flight modes, including orbit, pano, follow, and manual control. Seemi can orbit clockwise or counterclockwise around you. In pano mode, Seemi will remain in a fixed position while turning and capturing amazing panoramic shots. For follow mode shots, Seemi includes an attachable water and sweat-proof tracking device. This rugged GPS tracker enables you to put your mobile device down and focus completely on your task. In follow mode, Seemi will adjust to your position, as well as to increases and decreases in speed, so you don't even have to think about Seemi. When flying Seemi manually, you can select where you want the flyer to go next. Just enter your chosen destination, and Seemi will take off and wait there for you. And your aerial video and photos will be completely stable, because Seemi's in-house camera unit is controlled on a unique 2-axis micro gimbal, which automatically adjusts itself at every turn.
So the Oshima Core is a flight control computer at the heart of Seemi. It's a powerful little computer that takes care of all the flight control algorithms, figuring out how to keep the vehicle stable, its ability to understand where up and down is, when it's moving strongly in one direction, and it plugs into the GPS system, allowing for a full navigation solution.
While in flight, Seemi allows you to live feed videos straight to your mobile device. Then you can instantly upload your videos and images to any social media platform with an open API. You can share your video and grow your social following before Seemi touches down.
At this point, we need your help in order to get final components selected and purchased, to push us through the process of testing our flight software and the entire control system, in order to be able to cut the molds and get the fuselages built and shipped. The advantages of being our backers early on, you get the flyer below retail price, you're involved in the development process as we're putting the vehicles together, and you get to shape the flyer that we ultimately all can get to go and use out in the field. We at Polyhelo thank you for watching the video, and thank you for your support. Please feel free to share this with your friends. With your help, we can make Seemi a reality.
This is EasyDrone. It is convenient to transport, quick to assemble, infinitely customizable, and intuitive to use. EasyDrone is a modular flying machine that will allow you to make great aerial footage anywhere you go. I have tried a number of existing aerial videography solutions, but couldn't find one that was easy to transport, that was modular, and had all the features that I needed, so I decided to design my own. Its frame is a patented design that snaps together in under 30 seconds without any tools. It allows for the entire copter to come apart quickly for easy transportation, yet it's very strong and super light. EasyDrone basically consists of two components, a motorized arm and a command bridge that are named FlyBot. All you need to do to make it fly is assemble the frame, plug the bot right in the middle, and attach the battery. So what is this robot-looking thing at the core of the EasyDrone? Well, aside from running the drone, it's a flying video powerhouse with wireless video, on-screen display, and radio connectivity to a computer or a tablet. It is able to transmit data about the flight and display that on top of your video stream. On the bottom of the FlyBot, there are two connections. One takes in the video from your GoPro while powering the camera, and the other runs the gimbal, and it allows you to control the pitch from the remote. It takes 2 seconds to snap the GoPro onto the front of the drone, or you can mount your own gimbal and plug it into the FlyBot. You can watch the video feed from your camera. On a screen, you can wear goggles or display it on a large monitor for the director to give his input. You can even let EasyDrone execute autonomous flight missions while you adjust the camera angle. So for instance, you can park it in the air at a location you choose and just run the camera from the remote. Out of the box, it comes with 6 flying modes available at the flip of a switch. You can fly it in a straight line, at a fixed altitude, circle around an object at a predetermined radius, or in one mode, you can even fly it like you would fly an airplane, just banking to make turns. My goal is to make the EasyDrone a standard piece of equipment for photographers and videographers that like shooting aerial video. Right now on Kickstarter, you can get a limited edition EasyDrone for basically the cost of its parts.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Eli. We're artists, inventors, and drone enthusiasts. Recently, we started the Game of Drones, a UAV think tank and video series.
In the past, we've created things like the world's first paintball flying gunship, the world's tiniest rocket firing drone, and most recently, I'm proud to announce, the world's most indestructible drone airframe. When we were beginning pilots, the cost of flying was really expensive. It seemed like every minor bug ended up being a catastrophic failure and a major rebuild. Once we started using the drones in aerial combat and paintball games, the expenses got even worse.
We went through many designs and materials searching for an airframe that was cheap to make and easy to repair. But then we decided, why not make an airframe that didn't need to be replaced at all? In effect, we wanted an indestructible airframe.
And so here it is, the Sumo Quad Action Sports Airframe by Game of Drones. This design has been rigorously tested for over a year. It's been dropped from hundreds of feet, crashed thousands of times, it's been landed on water, flown through fire, and this prototype has even been shot a couple of times directly with a 12-gauge shotgun. And I can honestly say it still flies as straight and true today as the day we made it. And the response to our videos has been overwhelming. We've gotten hundreds of requests from all over the world, people asking when, where, and how much to get one of these amazing airframes for their very own. And so here we are, launching a Kickstarter campaign to meet demand. We'll have a wide range of rewards available, but the main reward is going to be for these unfinished airframes. If you're already flying UAVs, then this should be no sweat, but we realize not everyone will have that level of experience. So we will be offering a few ready-to-fly drones with all the electronics and flight gear included. And for a very few select number of people, we'll even be offering a full day of one-on-one flight school at the Game of Drones Airfield in Northern California. But Game of Drones is really not in the electronics business, so we'll be limiting the number of these ready-to-fly drones to a select few, so we can concentrate on what we do, which is make indestructible airframes. So click the link and support us now, and you can get one of these amazing airframes for your very own. And don't forget to share the information and help us kickstart our business far and wide. From all of us at Game of Drones, thank you very much for your support.
The Sumo Action Sports Airframe by Game of Drones may not be the first airframe you buy, but it's probably going to be the last.